Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Over the past days, though in one encounter and episode, we've been hearing people trying to ask Jesus for a question or them asserting Jesus about something. Beginning Tuesday, we've heard how Jesus was asked, shall we pay the census tax to Caesar or not? And he answered, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, to God what belongs to God. Yesterday, we've heard this question once more. What will happen to the 7 brothers and to this wife that they have had? Who will be the husband? And Jesus answered them, there's no husband or wives anymore in heaven. We will be like angels, brothers and sisters serving God. And today another question was raised. What is the greatest or the first of all commandments? And Jesus replied, the 2 great commandments of love of God and neighbor. And today's gospel pointed out one concrete or even one expression. No one dared to ask him any more questions. Pardon me if I won't dwell with the 2 love commandments, but with these last lines, no one dared to ask him any more questions. Not because those people don't have any more questions or have had nothing to express to Jesus, but we know one thing for sure. They saw, they heard in Jesus that indeed he was a truthful man, straightforward, not deceiving anyone. He knows what is the power of God, what is the scriptures, what are the good things in this world. Hindi ho ba't minsan ay nakikita din po natin ang ating sariling, lalo tigit kapag kami kausap at kaharap na tao ay may ilang mga katanungan din tayo matapos sa isang pagpapahayag. Yung mga pagpapahayag na talaga ba? Totoo ba yan? Are you sure about that? Is that right? Are you honest with that? Is that truthful? Are you straightforward? Dahil nagtatanong tayo, oo dahil may katanungan, ngunit hinahanap natin na ano yung totoo, ano yung malinaw, at ano yung kasagutan. That is why it is good that we follow also the encouragement of St. Paul to Timothy to remind of these things and charge them before God to stop disputing about words. That our expressions, all what we say, all that we say may not be deceiving, but will always be a fruit of truth about the Lord. It is also good to follow the example of Jesus, and it is good that we remind ourselves of this action. To stand your ground, to speak the truth, do not deceive anyone. Kapag alam nating nasa panig tayo ng liwanag, ng totoo, ng dapat, ng maganda at mabuti, alam nating hindi magdududa ang tao sa atin. Kapag may pagdududa, may kasinungalingang nababalot. Kapag may hindi na magandang naisasabi, marahil tinatago natin ang liwanag sa katotohanan. My dear brothers and sisters, we follow the example of Jesus to stand your ground, to speak the truth, and not to deceive anyone. Yes, there will be inquiries and questions, but no one will dare to ask us any more questions because we know how to speak straightforwardly, to speak honestly, and to speak godly.